Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Layout tab, Picture Format and Shape Format, Part 10 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video Index, Picture Format tab, Adjust Group, Remove Background, Corrections, Color, Artistic Effects, Transparency, Compress Picture, Change Picture, and Reset Pictures. Picture Styles Group, Picture Borders, Effects, and Layout. Arrange Group, Position and Wrap Text. Size, Crop Height and Width, Crop to Shape, Aspect Ratio, and Fill or Fit. Shape Format, Bring to the front, Send to back, Selection pane, Align, Crop and Rotate. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see videos 1 or 2, slides 4, 5, 6, and 7. Layout tab ribbon. Most of the arranged commands will remain grayed out until a shape is inserted. When an image is inserted, the Picture Format tab becomes active. When a shape is inserted, the Shape Format tab becomes active. Picture Format becomes active after a picture has been... No, I didn't give it time. Click on the image to select it, then click Remove Background command and select Mark Areas to Keep. The background color will change colors. The cursor becomes the drawing pin. Hold down the left mouse button and select the area you want to keep. When you release the mouse button, the area selected to keep will be its original color. Clicking off the image will cut off the unwanted area. Using the Corrections command, you can soften, sharpen, and adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. Scroll slowly over the images in the drop-down pane and it will display the percentage of change that has been added to the image. Selecting the Picture Corrections option features opens the Format Picture pane where more corrections can be made. Color command. Adjust the color saturation, the tone, and even recolor. With more features available, such as more variations, set transparency color and picture color option. Select the locations where images can be stored. Reset Picture removes all formatting. Compress pictures, delete cropped area, and select the PPI. Picture Styles group has a selection of different frames like the one below for you to choose from. Picture Border opens themed colors. You can choose no outline, more outline colors, line weight, and dashes pattern. Clicking on more lines for weight or dashes opens the Picture Format pane. Line weight shown below is 6 points with random dashes for borders. Picture Effects has numerous selections to choose from to add style to the image. Select an image, click Picture Layout, then scroll over the Picture Layout menu. Also, clicking on the picture layout will open another tab called Smart Art Design. Alternate text should always be used on any image or object. Assisted technology can then use it to assist the impaired. Position and wrap text helps to place an image or object anywhere within the text. Note, if you are placing an image behind the text, make sure the text is a contrasting color so that the text is readable. If you are placing the image in front of the text, make sure it is transparent enough that the text can be read. You can bring forward and send back using Word 365, but it requires you to draw a text box first. Because you can insert more than one image but cannot overlap images on the same layer. Behind, front, behind. Size group, crop to height, width, and more. Crop to shape, Select Aspect Ratio. Click on the image to select it. Drag the black selection handles to enlarge the image. Image will now be the size you selected. Fill. Fills the entire shape with the image. Edges may need to be cropped. Fit. Entire image fits within the shape. Drag the round selection handles to fill the empty space. If you crop to shape, you can adjust the image inside the shape by selecting the image and dragging it where you want it. The Shape Format tab becomes active once a shape has been inserted. We have already covered most of the commands on the Shape Format tab. Here's a few that might come in handy. Insert 3 different shapes on the page. Select one to bring to the front and click Bring to Front. Select one to send to the back and click Send to Back. Move the shapes around and one selected to be in the front will be in the front. The one selected to be in the back will be in the back. They will remain this way until you change it. To enable Group Command, hold down the Control key and click each shape. The shapes can then be adjusted all at the same time. Select the image or object. Click Rotate or Flip. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Word Layout tab, Picture Format and Shape Format, Part 10 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 10. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 11 through 12 of Microsoft Word 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact me at gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.